So we are back at West Heath Road. So the painting downstairs has been done this week. That's the stairs. So the new kitchen's going in today. The contractors are here now. So that's the worktop, that's the overhang, that's the tile. Kitchen, storage, all these different cabinets, tilings to go on there. All the copper pipes have been replaced. And then let's go upstairs. There's this just coming down. There we go. Oh, sorry. Alright, thank you. Up the stairs. Painting's more or less been done. So this is the bathroom. Tiling's been done. New lights. Doors are up. As you can see, doors up. They just need painting. That's the bedroom. Second bedroom. This is the sort of the middle bedroom. And that's the outside.